So estate planning attorneys, it's what we do day in and day out. And so we have an eye for potential pitfalls, potential problems, and also potential benefits to different aspects or different ways that you could plan an estate. And if you do it yourself, you're kind of taking a gamble, you're taking a risk that what you think is going to happen will happen, and that there won't be any negative consequences to those decisions, which oftentimes that's where the litigation starts, is somebody intended for something to happen, not realizing that the way they designed it, not being an estate planning attorney, isn't, legal or isn't following proper protocols or procedures. And so you run into issues and you actually end up spending more money, or your descendants spend more money fighting over things than it would have cost you to just upfront pay an attorney some money to plan your estate.